Welcome back to Celebrity Spotlight, the place where stars shine the brightest. I am your host, and today we have an exclusive scoop from the glitzy world of entertainment. The bulls in the air is palpable as we bring you the latest from the star-studded award show that had everyone talking. And guess who made a grand entrance? None other than the dynamic duo Baris Baktas and yagmur. The pair, known for their electrifying chemistry on and off the screen, graced the red carpet, turning heads and capturing hearts. Baris, ever the deeper gentleman, and Yagmur, dazzling in her designer gown, were the epitome of glamour. In an exclusive interview, Barry shared his excitement about their latest project, while Yagmur gave us a glimpse into the behind-the-scenes fun. Their laughter was infectious and their camaraderie undeniable. But it was not just about fashion statements and candid chats. The evening was a celebration of talent, and our beloved stars did not leave empty handed. Join me in congratulating Baris and Jagmur on their well deserved awards. It's clear that these two are not just co stars but great friends, and fans could not get enough of their genuine connection. Stay tuned to Celebrity Spotlight for more updates on your favorite celebs. That's a wrap on today's episode. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exclusive celebrity news. Until next time, keep shining.